Hello bachon, let's read the question. The question says the theory which are related to chemical kinetics are: 1. Transition theory, 2. Oswald theory, 3. Absolute reaction rate theory, 4. Maxwell's theory. The most appropriate option with all correct theories is option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C 3 and 4, and option D 1 and 4. So first of all, let us check the key concept of the question. The key concept of this question is that chemical kinetics is a branch of chemistry which deals with rate of reactions. यानी कि केमिकल काइनेटिक्स वो ब्रांच है केमिस्ट्री की जो कि रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन से रेट कांस्टेंट, उन रेट्स में कितना टाइम लग रहा है, इस सब चीजों से डील करती है. तो अगर हम इस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन देखें तो वो थ्योरीज which deals with the reaction rate are basically related to chemical kinetics. So first is given transition theory. Transition theory is not related to kinetics. In fact, the transition state theory is somewhat transition state theory is somewhat related with kinetics. Another is given Ostwald theory. Ostwald's theory deals with the acid base indicators, not with kinetics. This is the theory which is not related with chemical kinetics. Another is given absolute reaction rate theory. इसके तो नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कि दिस इज रिलेटेड विद केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. तो एब्सोल्यूट रिएक्शन रेट थ्योरी क्या होती है? दिस इज द थ्योरी विच प्रोवाइड द एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी एज वेल एज फॉर प्री एक्सपोनेंशियल factor. So these both are related with the rate kinetics, sorry, rate constant. So basically these are related with the chemical kinetics. Fourth theory is given as Maxwell theory. So Maxwell, there is Maxwell kinetic theory of gases which deals with the kinetics and collision of the reactions. So it is also related with kinetic theory. So 3 and 4 are the theories which are related with kinetics. तो हमारा correct answer हो जाएगा option C. Hope you understood the solution well. Thank you.